This is the Diesel. The needle nose pliers on this tool are extra long for versatile use and include a wire cutter. There's a robust saw tool, a partially serrated knife, and a full-size file. The stainless steel Diesel also holds a Phillips driver, with 3 separate sizes of flatheads, scissors, and a can and bottle opener, all of which lock into place for safe application using Gerber's patented Safety Plus system. This is the evolution of Gerber's iconic military-issue multi-tools. Built in Portland, Oregon, this is the Diesel.